I'm Maddie Vollmer, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. And a little while ago, I came across this video where there appears to be elder abuse happening right here in Bakersfield. I reached out to the user who posted this video, and she said she filed a case with the district attorney's office. However, this case was dismissed.
I get you cleaned up for what? So you can beat a pig like that? No. Yeah, well, you look like a pig.
During the month of June, I was working on a series of stories in regards to elder abuse awareness when this video popped up on my TikTok. I reached out to the user who posted the video. Wendy Duenas tells me that she filed a police report with the Kern County Sheriff's Office on June 12th. However, she says when she reached out to the DA's office, she was told there wasn't much they could do.
He said that there was not sufficient evidence to take this in front of 12 people, that he could not convince 12 people that this was a crime. When there is physical abuse here, I'm sorry, but smacking my mom in the face with a fly swatter is abuse.
I reached out to the district attorney's office for comment. They sent the following in a statement that reads in part, quote, "Intemperate words or even outwardly rude conduct does not qualify as infliction of unjustifiable physical pain or mental suffering, required to sustain a criminal charge of elder abuse." An incident with a fly swatter was described wherein the elder person was alleged to have been hit with a fly swatter. The elder at issue denied that this was an offensive touching and corroborated that the suspect's statement that she was in fact addressing a fly that had been a problem in the home for hours. Not only did the victim explain the fly swatter incident, she denied any previous physical abuse and denied that there were any infliction of pain or that there were overt incidents where she went thirsty or hungry. She did elaborate that the caretaker verbalized what seemed like her frustration. Criminal charges were not issued because they could not be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. End quote. A little later in the day, the DA's office sent me another statement with additional information that could change the course of the investigation.
I'm tired of you looking at me in the face. Knock it off.
It reads in quote, "The district attorney's office has spoken with the victim's family, who informed us that dozens of videos were submitted to the Kern County Sheriff's Office. The videos were not referenced in the report nor submitted as evidence to our office. The statement I provided is accurate based on the evidence available to us at the time of our review. Our next step will be to examine the additional evidence that is expected to be presented." End quote. However, Wendy claims that the DA's office has always had all 40-plus videos.
And that's another thing too. I just didn't feel like there was adequate time taken by him. There's no way that he could have reviewed everything that my sister and I sent. There's no way. He didn't have the time. So to make this judgment call that quickly and drop the ball like that, I just feel like it was not looked into properly.
The TikTok video now has over 35 million views. Meanwhile, Wendy is reaching out, asking for advice, sharing her story, and starting petitions in hopes, she says, of getting justice. Right now, it's unknown if the DA's office will file charges based on its review of the videos. Authorities tell me that if you see elder abuse, you should report it. However, Wendy says that that's hard to trust after what happened to her and her family. For 23 ABC, I'm Maddie Vollmer, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.